I'd like to read more about how areas may potentially flood. So I'd like you to track along and read along with me about wetlands for flood control. I'm going to zoom in for a moment. Header: Wetlands for flood control. Have you ever seen a wetland? Maybe you have without knowing it. Wetlands are also known as bogs, swamps, and marshes. A wetland is in an area of land that is partly covered with water. A wetland might be beside a river, a lake, or the ocean. Sometimes a wetland can be dry enough to walk around in, but during times of heavy rain, it can be completely underwater. Wetlands are home to many living things. Many plants and animals that live in wetlands have adaptations that allow them to live in water part of the time and on land part of the time. So it's interesting when we learn about the structures of life and when we get our crayfish, you'll notice that they are able to live in both land and water. Wetland plants must be able to live in water in wet times to survive during dry times. Animals like ducks, egrets, and frogs can survive during wet and dry times.